Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about all things fire starters. Let's go ahead and get you fired up. As you know, fire is an important survival tool. We're going to show you some packable, portable, and waterproof options to go ahead and get those fires started for you quickly when you're out on the trail. You probably have these cotton rounds laying around. You can get a pack of 100 for about $3 or $4. What we like to do is just melt some paraffin wax in a wax burner or a melter. Dip these things in and let them kind of sit off to the side and harden up, and that'll waterproof the wax around. So when you go to use these, you're going to go ahead and move them around and try to pull the cotton out of the wax, because the wax is strictly there to waterproof this. So you can put this in like an old prescription bottle or a plastic bag, just throw it in your camping bin or in your glove box, and you'll always have these. Some of our favorite ways to light these up are with ferro rod, a lighter, or our new favorite way that we got at Southeast Overland Expo from Whiskey and Wilderness is their striker and hemp rope. Basically got a 2-hour burn time, and I'll show you guys how that works here in a second. Our second packable and portable way is that we take a toilet paper tube, we shove it full of dryer lint, and you can pinch off both ends to keep the dryer lint in there. Then when you're ready to use it, go ahead and start pulling that out a little bit, and you can shoot a spark into there. It'll light up and it'll burn for a little while, long enough for you to get a fire started. The third most natural way is some birch bark. When you go ahead and use the birch bark, go ahead and crumple it up a little bit, get those fibers all nice and loose, and then you can throw the spark in there, you'll be good to go. And then our cheater way is the Duraflame fire starter cubes. You can light these right in the plastic. They burn for like 5 to 10 minutes. They're really good at getting wet wood started. But if you're in a pinch and in a hurry, these are probably your best bet available at just about any store. I'll link the purchasable items in the description below. Otherwise, you're going to have to go scouting and try to find your own stuff. All right, so this is the Whiskey and Wilderness hemp rope that I was just talking about. It's basically like a long wick candle, right? It's hemp fibers. So you can spread them out here. It also comes with a striker. You can use a ferro rod if you already have it. As you can see, I missed the hemp rope, but the fire starter lit right up. And that's when you pull that cotton out of there. It does a really good job of staying lit for a little while, allowing you to build your fire from there. We're going to go ahead and light the dryer lint one and show you how easy and how well that works. Alright, so this is our birch bark option. I'll show you how easy this lights up as well. Alright, so this is the most cheater method, right? This is our Duraflame fire starter cube. It comes in a pack of like, I don't know, 10 or 15. Super easy. You can light the corners with a lighter, or you can go ahead and use this Whiskey and Wilderness hemp rope type candle. And it will light itself through the plastic. See how well those fire starters work, and hopefully this gives you some ideas and some options to go ahead and use for yourself. So when you get out on the trail, like I said, lightweight, portable, packable, waterproof fire starter options that make starting a fire really, really easy. All right guys, I'll see you next Tuesday.